Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your Casio A100. This is going to be very familiar in case you have G-Shock watches, Casio watches in general. The principle is going to be the same, so you will be able to open cages on other watches as well. So what you want to do is to have a metallic pair of tweezers in order to be able to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here in between the metallic part and the plastic right here. You have a small hole where you can insert the pair of tweezers just like that. And now I'm going to pull it to the side, so towards the right corner, and as you can see, the watch battery cage has opened. Now, in case you want to replace the watch battery, I would definitely recommend to also have a non-metallic pair of tweezers in order to maneuver the watch battery, put it back in, and so on. And then, in order to close the watch battery cage, as you can see, we need to push this part right here in the hole back until we hear a small snap or a small click. So after the battery has been inserted all the way, you want to push it down until you hear a small click, just like that. After that, we also need to do the AC reset, close the watch back, and then we can also set the time and date. In case you want to watch the full video with all the steps in order to open the watch, the battery cage, replace the watch battery, do the AC reset, and set the time, I will leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and I will see you on the next one.